Surefied's commercial door kit has effectively eliminated the need to pull control and power wire in commercial door applications by allowing installers to tie into any local 110 to 277 power. It provides 12 and 24 volt DC, including built-in battery backup. Courtney from Beezer Lock and Key tells us about this building where he installed 4 single-door commercial door kits.
Courtney Smith with Beezer Lock and Key out of Logan, Utah. Just got done installing a system for Surefied. Everything went really smooth. Things are really nice and laid out on the boards. Pretty simple to set up. The enclosure includes all the power supply and everything you need. Wired our strikes up fine. We put 2 latch attraction crash bars on one of them. Powered it up just fine. They were working great. Real nice products, especially if you have places you can't get wired to, or just in the distance it's not going to make sense. You can really save a lot of time installing.